In partnership with 14 other AGs, we have sued President Trump for taking action to end birthright citizenship, a flagrant violation of the 14th Amendment. Birthright citizenship is a century-old promise made to American-born babies. It ensures anyone born on U.S. soil is a citizen, regardless of race, ethnicity, or its parents' status. It is a promise of equality born out of a collective fight against oppression, against slavery, and its devastating harms. It is also the promise of America. Indeed, millions of Americans were born to immigrant parents, and hundreds of millions can trace their citizenship back to immigrant ancestors. The President cannot change the Constitution with a Sharpie or a sham executive order. What the President is attempting to do is illegal. This morning, we, and actually a total of 19 AGs from across the country, obviously some who are here and some who couldn't be here in person, will ask a judge to take immediate action to prevent the President's illegal order from taking effect.
And sometimes when a federal administration, as we're dealing with here, takes action to harm our residents, we are fulfilling that oath to protect them when we stand up for them. Birthright citizenship, which was enshrined in the 14th Amendment in the wake of the Civil War, because this country said we no longer want to have a debate about whether children born on United States soil are entitled to the rights and privileges of American citizenship. We settled that debate 157 years ago. And the Supreme Court, on multiple instances, has confirmed that we settled that debate. And yet, on his first day in office, the President said he wasn't going to be bothered with that history. He wasn't going to care about the plain text of our nation's foundational document. And he was going to say for a whole class of residents, born here, babies born here, who have no ties to any other country, that they're not American citizens, they're something else. It doesn't say what they are.
General Plotkin referred to it in his remarks, but this isn't just about the rule of law. It's not just about the 14th Amendment. We're here, and this fight is rooted in slavery. Okay? In 1858, the Supreme Court in Dred Scott decided that black Americans, black American slaves were not just less than human, they were not citizens, they were not to be counted. And we fought a civil war. 660,000 Americans died. And in 1868, we solved that problem, right? We addressed America's original sin in part. I can't say that we solved all of those problems, but in part, we said, we commit to a different course. And that our country ratified the 14th Amendment. And in one generation, I went from that hot Chinese restaurant kitchen to being the Attorney General of the state of Connecticut. That is America's promise. That is what we're fighting for today. Thank you.